Hello, the YouTube. Today we have boom, a normal switch. And this has an issue that we're all familiar with. It seems to be my favorite thing at the minute. I wonder if you guys can guess. Charges? There you go. Simple as that. Another blue screen issue. Once again, let's get into it. And actually, just before we do, the condition, you can see it's all scratched on the screen a bit. Not horrendous, but there's that. Don't know if it's been into or not. There's no game, there's no SD card. The screws kind of look like they're untouched, so we'll see, won't we? All right, let's get into it. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Jeez. Look at this. Look. All that water damage, all on the battery. Let's disconnect that ASAP. Ugh. Right, let's get it apart completely. Oh my God. This is caked with, this has been sitting for a while. This is all rusted. I don't know why I'm moaning. I enjoy this sort of stuff. It makes it a challenge. I'm not moaning. I guess I thought it'd just be an easier repair considering the price I paid. Although reballing isn't really easy, is it? All right, let's just give it a clean, a deep, deep clean. All right, that's as good as I'm gonna get it. I guess what we can do now is dry it up and then test it, see if there's a boot sequence now. Doubt it. There is probably corrosion underneath the APU, and that's what's causing it. If there is, then game over. Okay. Do we get the boot sequence? Oh, might not anyway, because the battery's too flat. I'll have to plug in the display, and I. So has a general clean sorted it? Alright, got that. And is it blue screen? Am I missing something? Yes, I'm missing the backlight. Alright, here we go. What have I forgotten? It's not powering on now. I'm only getting zero point 0.5 amps. 0.05 amps. What? Battery not plugged in. No, battery's not plugged in. But still, it shouldn't be drawing that much. Or should it be? I think, oh, that's only when the board's disconnected from everything. If this is still blue screen after all this, it's gonna bloody annoy me. Yeah, still blue screen. It could be RAM as well. I've done RAM as well before and it was successful. So there's three options, isn't there? I'll do the eMMC before the RAM. Actually, no, I won't. I don't know. We'll decide when I get there. Annoyingly, there's no rip pads. None at all. So it probably wasn't the APU. Well, it could still potentially be. I don't see any rip pads at all. What about on the actual APU itself? Nope, that looks clean as well. Okay, so it could either be RAM or eMMC. All right, so that's both of them prepared. Chip's been perfectly reballed. Beautiful. The board's been perfectly prepped. Stunning. And now it's the matter of trying to line it up and get it down. I don't think this is going to work, to be honest. A few seconds, just got to line it up. Well, that was easy. First try that. Do you think it's going to work? I don't. I don't. I reckon this is a RAM issue or eMMC, like I keep saying. Hi, moment of truth there. Got an ammeter. Plug it in backwards just to see. 15 volts, 13. Isn't that higher than last time? I think that's done it. No, still blue screen. Yeah, see, so it's not the APU. I'm gonna go for RAM next. Okay, so that's the RAM reboard. I think it's successful. They look very uniform. So let's go back to the main device. 2 seconds. I have got stuff everywhere. And let's see if it will boot now. Again, I'm not hopeful, but it would be nice if it was. Plugged in. Now it's the backlight. Probably been at this for 2 hours now. As for an APU reboot and RAM reboot. All right, here we go. Do we get any behavior here on here? Okay, it's gone up to straight to 50. Oh, oh my God. We did it. There you go. It was the RAM, just need to reball in. So if it's not the APU, go for the RAM. Wow. Brilliant. Yes. Thought it was a typical APU. So that's RAM and APU been reballed. Damn. Soon as I saw that restarting, oh, that's cool. All right, let me put it partially together and then I'll see what I can do with the chassis because it's just completely caked in water damage and see what's not working. It's all been partially put back together, just the essentials in, I think. I don't know why I put the fan on when there's no heatsink, but it should have enough power to power on. It was on 4%, so let's see if it'll power on with the button. No, it doesn't power on with the button. I have got it connected. So is this power button busted? Huh. It's annoying, I could see it. Oh, you guys can quite see it slightly now as well. You see it, it has booted up. You see the little house. Okay, I found the issue. Look at the backlight cable. You see it there? Yeah, it's torn. So this screen's a no-go. That's a shame. At least we got a working motherboard, I think. Well, that concludes that video. Until I get another working display. Can't believe I spent 42 quid on this, and after all that work that I put into it, and I still can't fully test it. Ah, well, I guess I mean it's a fix in one way, but then also I damaged it in the other. I wonder how that did happen though. Oh, I know. When I was trying to fish out the this black cable, I was going in there with my tweezers and stuff trying to pull it out while that was under there, and I think I might have torn that. What a donut. Well, you live and you learn. I learned from my mistake there. Okay, well, that's the end of the video then. I'll keep you updated if I decide to do something about this. Thanks for watching.